Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROCCAT Kone Pro Air mouse, gaming mouse, and I'm going to show you how can you easily download its software for your Windows PC. At first we have to open our web browser, then we have to search for Turtle Beach software. Now we have to enter this website, downloads, and here as you can see we have downloads. We can change the language to English, and now we have to set product type. Our product type is mice, and our product is our Burst Pro, not Burst Pro Air, it's Kone Pro Air, it's this one, and as you can see, it's this mouse. Now we have to click download for Windows 11 or Windows 10 or 8.1, 8.7, etc. Our is Windows 10, so we have to hit download button. Now we have to wait until our file is downloaded. Meanwhile, we can go into our downloads folder. And now we have to enter this zip file. Here we have to click on this file over here to execute this file. Here we have to click next. We have to accept the terms of the license agreement and then click next again, next, and now we have to wait a moment. Now we have to click finish, and now we can easily open our software. ROCCAT Swarm. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.